Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, it's very different and interesting. Today we are going to talk about products which are best sellers on Nykaa. So there are at least 10 products which I'm going to talk about. Now this video is particularly for makeup products, like bestseller makeup products. And if you guys want to see bestseller skincare products, let me know. Now these products I have tested, tried from many months, many years maybe. So yeah, I am super excited. Let's just begin. Alright, let's start with Nykaa's in-house brand, which is Nykaa Cosmetics. And I see that there are lipsticks that are best sellers and also one eyeshadow, but I don't have it, so I'm going to talk about lipsticks, of course. So the first one is their So Matte lipsticks. These launched I think in 2017 or 18. I have been using them since then. Now honestly ये expire होके मैंने new खरीद भी लिया है, so don't worry about it. But honestly these has to be the best sellers because they are so comfortable on the lips, super lightweight. The shade range also is so pretty. Like I have 3 shades here right now. There's Le Pondy, Bombay and Chai. Now these lipsticks, again, very comfortable. They are very nicely pigmented, can be applied with lip liners, and they don't dry out your lips, which is so good. So I'm gonna swatch all the shades I have. This one is Le Pondy, and here I'm gonna swatch it. Okay, I do have a little bit of pigment right here, but don't mind. So this is the shade. As you can see, it's a beautiful mauvey pinkish nude shade, and it just complements all the Indian skin tones. If you're deeper than me, you can use a darker lip liner and this will just look stunning. Next up is Bombay. It's my personal favorite, to be honest. मैंने इसको बहुत बार use किया है, and I love the shade. It's just so subtle nude, and it feels like a peach nude, but it also has a hint of pink. I cannot describe the shade, but it's just so pretty. And the last one is Chai. Now Chai was like viral, okay. तो मैंने कभी ट्राई नहीं किया था, but Nykaa was kind enough to send it out बाद में, and I tried it. I really like the shade. It's perfect for deeper skin tone. It's a beautiful warm tone, brown kind of a shade with hint of orange in it, and I love that. It just gives so beautiful finish. Honestly, you have to try this one out. Now I can see यहाँ पे बहुत सेल चल रहा है. So this one retails for rupees 675 rupees each, and right now 38% off में you can get this for rupees 419, which is I think affordable. So yeah, I would highly recommend this, and buy this during the sale, of course. नहीं तो 675 is little too much. So अभी offer में 500 के नीचे है, so you can grab at least one of these. Okay, next up is their all day matte lipsticks. Now honestly these are tiny bit drying as of their matte to last lipsticks, but to be honest I don't mind. But if you are somebody जिसको dry lipstick एकदम पसंद नहीं है, you can skip it. Otherwise थोड़ा lip balm के साथ भी अगर आप लगाओगे ना, it is going to look beautiful and also feel comfortable. Right now इसका 50% off चल रहा है, so it's currently at rupees 200 rupees each, which is definitely amazing. So I do have 2 shades here. Soul Sister, it's a stunning shade. I'm gonna swatch it right here above that. They are very creamy, much pigmented than those ones, so that's why it's little drying, because the formula is little heavier than the matte to last one. So this is Soul Sister. It's a beautiful and stunning shade. And the last one I have is Dear Dog. It's a beautiful shade, okay. This one is like a I did a dupe of a MAC lipstick, and that is very similar to this one. I really like it. Now again, apply a lip balm if you want, and also just you can apply a little bit of that and blend it so that you get that little bit of hint, not that full coverage hint. Otherwise पूरा अगर लगाओगे तो ड्राई तो थोड़ा सा लगेगा ही, बिकॉज ऑफ द फॉर्मूला इट हैज़. अगर हम लोग बात कर ही रहे हैं लिपस्टिक का, तो मैं और एक लिपस्टिक के बारे में बात करना चाहती हूँ. वो है लैक्मे का. नाउ लैक्मे लिपस्टिक्स लाइक बचपन में हम लोग सब ने यूज़ किया है, बट राइट नाउ दे आर गोइंग अप एंड अप. दे आर लॉन्चिंग बैक टू बैक, एंड दे आर लॉन्चिंग ब्यूटिफुल प्रोडक्ट्स starting from skincare to makeup. And this one, Instagram made me buy this. This is their Lakme Absolute Lip Mousse. The shade is Chocolate Temptation. It's just so pretty. Let me just quickly swatch this one here. This is like a moussey texture which is very comfortable, super lightweight, doesn't feel drying on the lips. And also this shade, if you are in my skin tone or deeper or maybe fairer, you can use this as it is, like without makeup it complements your skin so well. मेरा NC40 है, Maybelline में it's 310, and this just brighten up my face which I absolutely love. कुछ कुछ लिपस्टिक्स ऐसे होते हैं ना, आप लगाओ और डल लगने लगता है, but this one just brightens up your face. So I would highly recommend this particular shade. I'm going to mention all the details down in the description box below, so do not forget to check it out. This one is actually the best seller right now, and I can guarantee you won't be disappointed if you like buy this and try it out. Now let's talk about a beautiful brand which is Maybelline of course. And मुझे पता है जब से मैं ये मेकअप के लाइन में आई हूँ, मैं Maybelline का हर एक प्रोडक्ट तो यूज़ कर चुकी हूँ. एटलीस्ट 100 नहीं तो 90% प्रोडक्ट आई हैव यूज्ड ऑलरेडी, एंड आई लव 80% ऑफ इट. नाउ दिस वन पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट, द कंसीलर्स, इंस्टेंट एज डिवाइन कंसीलर. नाउ पैकेजिंग इज़ यूनिक बट इट कैन बी लिटिल डिफ़िकल्ट, जैसे मेस्ड अप हो जाता है कभी कभी, क्योंकि अगर ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट आप निकाल लोगे ना, जब आप कैप को बंद करोगे ये ख़राब होने लगता है, लाइक स्पिल आउट होने लगता है. अदरवाइज आई लव द पैकेजिंग, आई लव द फॉर्मूला. इट इज़ सुपर लाइट वेट, इट गिव्स मीडियम कवरेज, एंड ऑल्सो ना इट गिव्स यू दैट स्किन लाइक फिनिश. ऐसा हैवी टू मच केकीनेस कभी नहीं लगता है, एंड आई लव दैट. सो आई थिंक दे हैव 8 to 9 शेड्स इन इंडिया, एंड बाहर तो आई थिंक बहुत सारा शेड है, बट जो भी है यू कैन यूज़ दिस फॉर योर कलर करेक्शन, फॉर योर हाईलाइट, फॉर योर कॉन्टोर एंड मैनी मोर. लाइक टोटल बेस आप इससे कर सकते हो. Right now they are currently at 40% off, so it's the perfect time to buy. Okay, so the shades I have is caramel and butterscotch. Now caramel क्योंकि अगर आपको dark circles है and if you want to hide your dark circles or spots, you can use caramel. It has mostly peach undertone. You can see मेरे हाथ पे ना ये शो भी नहीं हो रहा है उतने अच्छे से, so it's perfect if I use it under my eyes. It is going to cover it all. Now next shade is butterscotch, and this is again you can use it if you are in my skin tone. You can either use any of this to cover up your dark circles or spots. Now butterscotch जो shade है मैं उसको अपने full face पे लगा सकती हूँ, and no one will notice कि मैं base already की हुई हूँ, क्योंकि this matches my skin perfectly. So these are the two shades I would recommend if you are in my skin tone. Again highlight के लिए you can go for medium. Now when we are talking about concealer, I cannot forget about the Too Faced one. This is the best seller, to be honest. This gives you full coverage. Also the finish is super lightweight and skin like. It doesn't feel heavy or something like that. I actually have two shades. Golden beige is for my highlighting concealer, and warm beige जब मुझे कुछ करने का मन नहीं करता है, like no foundation, no color correction, मैं सिर्फ warm beige अपने full face पे लगा लेती हूँ, and that's it. I don't want more products. कभी कभी ऐसे होता है तब मैं इसको यूज़ करती हूँ. Let me just quickly swatch it for you. So this is the shade Golden Beige. It's for my highlighting concealer. Now these are little expensive of course, but these are actually worth your money. And this one is Warm Beige. Let me just swatch it right here. They are very creamy, very pigmented, and gives you intense pigment, and also the coverage is almost like high, so you can understand. It also blends easily. Now next up is a high end product जो मुझे चाहिए था. मुझे शादी के टाइम when I was actually making my makeup vanity for my wedding, मुझे ये वाला प्रोडक्ट चाहिए था, and I was like totally blown away after using it. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless setting spray. It's a very good product. It hydrates, it just gives you that really nice airbrush look on your makeup. I love it. Now this one is currently at flat 25% off, and I can definitely say this is the best seller from Charlotte Tilbury, and there's a point. Like it is actually a very good product. Charlotte Tilbury mein there are few best sellers. I've talked about them in my previous videos. You can check it out. But if you're searching for a good setting spray that will give you that flawless airbrush finish, try this. I actually prefer this one over MAC Cosmetics. सो यू गाइज नो हाउ मच आई लव इट. एंड मैं उसको थोड़ा थोड़ा यूज़ करती हूँ क्योंकि मुझे नहीं चाहिए कि ये जल्दी ख़त्म हो जाए. सो यू गेट माई पॉइंट. देयर इज़ ऑल्सो अवेलेबल इन डिफरेंट साइजेस. सो दिस वन, if you get the bigger one, you will get 25% off. Now let's talk about best sellers from K Beauty. वहाँ पे blush है, foundation है, and yes, I'm talking about the hydrating foundation. If you have dry skin or combination skin, try this one out. Oh my god, I absolutely love the formula. It is super lightweight. It gives you coverage. It has 20 shades. Can you believe it? Like, K Beauty is so good. I absolutely love how they are working with the formulas, and also including more shade range and more products. To be honest, I'm loving it. This is the foundation you really want and really need to try if you haven't already. Right now iska actually price 1200 आता है अभी. Right now you can get it for rupees 750, which is definitely almost half the price. So I would highly recommend you to get this one. And again, my shade is medium 140p, but अगर neutral में भी हो तो भी ये चल जाएगा because I love this formula, I love the finish, and yeah, just go and get it. Moving on, I have this product from Color Bar. Now Color Bar से मैंने ज़्यादा products try नहीं किया है recently, but this one product which I tried many years ago. I love their lipsticks. Okay, I really like their lipstick, but this particular product, this kajal, like smoky kajal, this particular shade is my absolute favorite. This is my second pencil. Of course, first वाला dry हो चुका था. Again, मुझे जब कुछ पसंद आता है ना, मैं हमेशा ना थोड़ा थोड़ा यूज़ करती हूँ उसको, थोड़ा थोड़ा. एंड आई डोंट वॉन्ट इट टू गेट ख़त्म हो जाए जल्दी. बट या इसी वजह से मैं उसको ख़राब कर देती हूँ, एक्सपायर हो जाता है एंड उसके बाद फेंक देना ही पड़ता है. बट दिस वन इज़ जस्ट सो गुड. आई एम गोना स्वॉच दिस शेड. दिस इज़ कॉल्ड जस्ट मसाला, and it's a beautiful shade, you guys. It's just like a brown with hint of red, and if you want to do a smoky eye, this is a perfect shade. It's not black, it's not brown, it's just in between. It gives you that nice tint of plummy red shade. Love it. And also it comes with a smudger at the end, and yeah, I love this shade. I would highly recommend this particular shade to you. Okay, so this is a new launch, but it has just become the best seller on Nykaa, and I can tell you why. Okay, so I'm talking about the L'Oreal Panorama mascara. इसका प्राइस थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा है regarding the mascaras price range out there. It's around 1000 rupees. Right now 5% off भी चल रहा है. Now why would you want to buy this? It's expensive, but क्यों? This gives you length, volume and curls up the lashes. लैश इतने सुंदर लगते हैं, मैं आपको क्या ही बताऊँ. ऑल्सो द पैकेजिंग इज जस्ट लुक्स लक्स, फील्स लक्स. I love it. You should definitely try if you haven't already. If you're planning to buy another mascara, once जो मस्कारा अभी है ख़त्म हो जाने के बाद, try this. I'm not saying कि जो है उसको साथ रख के ले लो. No. If you want to buy mascara, new mascara, if you want to try a new mascara, try this one out. It's waterproof. It is going to be hard to remove it, but Garnier Micellar Water, the oil infused one, not the pink one, it will be a rescue. Honestly, but I really like this one, and you have to try this out. The bestseller part, I was like, yeah, it has to be bestseller, because genuinely it didn't went viral because people were doing campaigns. It just went viral because it is actually that good, and I'm so glad that I bought it and tried it out. And I am actually hoping if I can work with L'Oreal Paris regarding this, and I hope so. Now Huda Beauty during Nykaa sale, वो लोग देते हैं up to 50% off, and I personally love Huda Beauty. जो भी products मैंने try किए हैं, I really like them. I really enjoy using them. Now this particular one, this Easy Bake Loose Powder, I bought it during my wedding season. Obviously मुझे चाहिए था ये, मुझे मेरे vanity पे, and this one is so good. Honestly, it just makes your makeup look so beautiful, like airbrushed, flawless. It looks like a filter you're wearing, ऐसे ही कोई filter, but it's just so good. Right now it's in flat 40% off. सो यू शुड डेफिनेटली ट्राई दिस वन आउट. अगेन इसका छोटा भी मिलता है, छोटे में कोई भी ऑफर्स नहीं है. अगर इफ़ यू आर गोइंग फॉर अ बिगर वन you can go, otherwise try the smaller one if you want to. Now my shade is banana bread and it just gives me that like nice amount of highlight. It just doesn't crease my under eyes and I love this product. Yeah, you have to try. Alright, those were the best sellers from Nykaa I personally loved, and there are so many best sellers out there. If you guys want to see the skincare best sellers that I've already tried, and if you guys want my like honest opinion, let me know. And thank you guys for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up. Again, I will mention all the product details down in the description box below. Do not forget to check it out. And Nykaa sale is the best time when you want to restock your everyday products, or maybe you want to try new products. Tab aap khareed sakte ho. So definitely do try it out. Thank you guys. I will see you guys again on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye bye.